Very good. Okay, so we'll start the basics of hardware. Guys, normally when we see hardware is simply like a knowing about a hardware components. So first of all, lot of people think computer means like a CPU. When you hear the CPU word, lot of people think CPU means this box. Okay, CPU thing, this box. This is not a CPU. It is just a cabinet. The first thing is it is just a cabinet only. In this cabinet, you can put your motherboard on motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard disk, everything we can able to facilitate in this cabinet. Okay, so generally we talk about all components, but we never talk about the cabinet. And another hand, when we are talking about a CPU and we know the definitions of CPU and all, but when you look at the cabinet and we call that one as a CPU. Okay, so it is a cabinet. Cabinet or a chassis is a correct name for this one. Okay, this is how it is. A regular computer is look like. Another is now it is laptops are also become a more famous, more purchasing sales point also are increased. Okay, so there is a lot of definitions are there about a computer. Computer is a electronic device. It will take input and process it and give the output. Very simple, right? So some people put a definitions for a COMPUTER like that. So don't go with that one. If you are already learned, it's okay. If someone is trying to teach you, it's okay. Leave it. Okay. But don't press on it. So this is not it. So computer word is came from the compute means calculations. Okay, means calculations. Okay, very simple way say. We'll see different components of a computer. So what are the internal main important components? We'll go to the put into the list. So the first components. First important component is CPU. Next, RAM, motherboard, motherboard, anything, hard disk, CD-ROM or DVD drive, floppy disk. Nowadays we are not using this one floppy disk. CD-ROM, DVD also removed mostly. Okay, instead of hard disk we are using SSDs nowadays. Okay, SSDs instead of hard disk we are using SSDs. CPU, RAM, motherboard, hard disk, CD-ROM, floppy disk, SMPS, cabinet or chassis, anything, chassis or chassis. Yeah, you have to check the proper name. When you got a doubt immediately, what to do? Chassis. Okay, chassis or cabinet. See, that's chassis. So different type of terminologies we are using. So that's will give you a little confusion sometimes. Okay, CPU, RAM, motherboard, hard disk, SSD, CD-ROM, DVD, floppy disk drive. Floppy. Nowadays we are not using it. Okay, SMPS, the cabinet, keyboard, mouse. Anything, guys? Anything? Any you remember? Okay, these are the basic components of a computer. direct components. On motherboard there's a lot of components are there, like a rom chip is there, network cards are there, PCA slots are there, lot of things about a motherboard is also there. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to my paintbrush and I
Graphic
will,
card, sir.
yeah, very good, that's a good one.
Graphic card, sound card,
Graphic card, can't able to see my presentation screen.
monitor,
Okay, okay, okay.
monitor,
Monitor, so why monitor, graphics
graphic card,
card,
graphics card,
sound or audio card. When I see, or we can see Ethernet card. All terminologies. So we have to must go to the all terminologies kind of stuff. Very good. Okay. So 1 second, I will stop sharing this one, and I will share it again. Um, so Kiran, can you able to see the screen now? Kiran, can you able to see the screen? I'm highlighting this notepad. Now I'm opening my this is a PPT. Okay, it's not responding. Okay, no problem. Guys, can you able to hear my voice?
yes, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
screen is visible, right? Screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Visible.
that's a very important one. Okay, in our childhood days means intermediate, engineering, polytechnic. So when a computer class is started, okay, or outside like a C, C++, okay. So when computer class, the first day of the computer class, they write a one block diagram, right? So that is a block diagram is very important for learning computer. So guys, those who knows, so do not worry. Like so, I'm not teaching or something. So some it's a we have a mixed people are there, and anyone. So you if you are from background is BTech or non BTech, CSC, non CSC, computers, no computers, everyone is same here. Some few people having a knowledge little bit extra, some may not having. Okay, for everyone is same here only. So carefully learn. So no need to worry about anyone. Yeah, tell me.
CPU or CPU.
Yes, very good. What is this? Ma'am.
Memories. Monitor. Monitor.
Output.
Memory. Output. Yeah.
So this is the basic block diagram of computer. Why I written this one? So to do so many things. Yeah, you're able to see. Kiran, you're able to see now. Very good. Guys, input device. The standard input device is always
Keyboard.
keyboard only. Always keyboard only.
Keyboard,
Standard
mouse.
input device. The lot of input devices are there, so we can see that one. Mouse is not a input device. It is a pointer device. Okay, pointer device. Mouse is not a input device. Mouse is a pointer device. Your mic is input device where voice is catching. Joystick. Joystick is an input device, not pointer device. Joystick again, like you are playing games, right? So that is a joystick. Mic, joystick, scanner,
Scanner.
scanner. Very good.
Scanner.
Scan. Hmm? Now camera, cam also came up. Okay, cam, your webcam, touch screen. Nowadays we have a touch screen. Give an input both by touchpad, all this kind of stuff we are using combined. So we can't say it is a input device or a pointer device kind of stuff, but anyway, we are giving input through touch screen. My point is that one. Now, what are the output devices? Standard is
Monitor.
monitor. Okay, so we are using mic here. It means
Speaker. Speaker.
speaker. Speaker is a output device. Sound we can able to listen to the speaker, headphones, earphones, all are same only. Okay, monitors, speakers, printers.
Printer. Robot.
Printer. Okay, so you can take a print from it. Okay,
Sir,
uh,
Robo also no.
robo.
Robot. I think machineries, manufacturing machineries.
Okay, okay, that's a different. No, 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 don't mix it. Okay, so printer will give you output. Okay, monitor will show you output. Speaker you can able to hear the voice, right? So like that. So in some touch screen also we can both be view and as well as a given input, that is the touch screen part. Okay, so different output devices are there. So we'll see, maybe projector, you can say projector also there, you can connect a projector. Now these memory devices are primary devices. Primary memory. Okay, primary memory. What are the primary memories or main memories? RAM and ROM are the primary memory devices. Then if you have a primary memory devices, then what are the secondary memory? What are the secondary memory devices?
Hard disk.
Very good. Hard disk or SSD,
SD.
hard disk, SSD, optical drives, CD-ROM, optical drive, DVD, optical drive, pen
Magnetic
drives.
tapes.
Very good. DAC or DS are magnetic tapes. Pen drives, SD cards. You said something, but unable to get that point. Pen drives, SD cards, eMMC. You know that one? eMMC. No, when new laptops are there, not a new one. It is from so many days. Okay, so if you take a laptop, it's like a 20,000 less or more, little less or more. 20,000 laptops are there. If you see the specification, eMMC 32 GB, 64 GB laptops are there. eMMC type. It's like a memory card type only. Okay. PCMICA card. PCMICA card is also there. That is also one thing. Someone is try to tell something, but I unable to catch that one. Okay. External hard disk. These are all secondary memory storages. Okay. CPU is a CPU anyway. So what is the work of CPU? CPU will take the input from input devices. CPU process the information and put the output on a output devices. Okay. So sometimes CPU required to store the data in memory. Sometimes CPU required a memory to CPU. Your voice is not there.
Yes, sir. Yes. There is
Voice
a processing
disturbance.
unit.
Yeah.
CPU is a central processing unit, it can take inputs and it can give outputs through monitors.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So we take a certain memory things, means we took a some data from the memory and also for a help of processing. Okay, we take instructions from your input device like a keyboard or mouse or anything. Just we'll take a input and we process it, and also we take a data from the memory devices, and also we can store the data in the memory devices. Okay, and once process is completed, we put a output on or monitor. So this is called a computer and how it is function. Very basic level. Very basic level. Okay. So next levels we will talk, but meanwhile we'll see this one. Yes, very few things. Just I want to tell about a few things about here, because it's, any person can not forgetting. They should know these things. First one is mic. Mic is an input device, you know. So mic and speakers. Mic. So how to put it? No, not a mic. First of all, printer. It's just very small one. Put a little big. Okay, 18 is okay. Printer. So in your computer, what are the document? I have a lot of document in my computer. See, look at this is my document. For example, this document in my computer we call it as a soft copy. In my computer, the document we call it as a soft copy. If you take a print means paper. On the paper you take in a print, that is called a hard copy. So soft copy to hard copy. First of all, understand what is soft copy. The data or a document or a picture in the computer, we call it as a soft copy. Okay. Printer, once you've done a printing,
Right.
what we are getting? Hard copy.
Hard copy.
Okay. Scanner.
Almost.
Scanner. You have a picture or maybe a document. You scanned it and you store into the computer. You scanned it and store into the computer. That is called hard copy to soft copy. Hard copy to soft copy. Speakers. So we know this one, but it is not a traditional one. So anyway, speakers are produce sound outside, produce a sound or play a sound. So you can able to hear from the receive. sound. Okay, it takes the sound. So that is like a each individual you can better to know it. Okay, so like that. All remaining we can speak because this is a very small one. That's why I am using this one. Even for a touch screen also you can use like a touch screen is you can directly choose what you want to open application, or you want to type using a on-screen keyboard, whether you can able to view it or not, I don't know. So I'm opening my on-screen keyboard. Okay, so if you have a touch screen or directly, so if you have a touch screen you can directly type on it just like your mobile phone. Okay, you can use your touch screen keypad like on screen keypad, and you can give the input from it. Okay, guys, remember one thing, lot of people said like a different type of input devices or output devices, but standard one is keyboard and a monitor, or a standard input devices and output devices are keyboard and mouses only. Okay, so this is about your basic block diagram and few things about it. Okay, next. So why this is come to pop up unnecessary? This is the correct one. Okay, yeah, like this. Different components as we discussed in your system: CPU, RAM, ROM. Actually, ROM is not a direct component. Actually, direct components on board only. Hard disk, SSDs, DATs, floppy disk, CD-ROM, SMPS, and all these are all main components of your computer. And some are input devices wise, some are output device wise. Yeah, I have two pictures. Okay, so this is the input size, this is output side and RAM. So what we are going to discuss is, first we are going to discuss about CPU, then RAM, ROM, hard disk, small things about a SSD, SMPS. These are main things to discuss. Okay, the first one is CPU, about the CPU, RAM, ROM. ROM is a little bigger because it's we have to compulsory discuss about a BIOS. Next one is motherboard, okay, motherboard, hard disk, and SSD. Both we have to discuss, and SMPS. Okay. So for today, how much we can able to complete, we will do it. Class goes up to 6 o'clock. Okay, 6:30. Class will go up to that one. Okay. So first we'll start with the CPU anyway. Guys, already I forward this PPT. This PPT contains the basic information like what is CPU, okay, what is basic things we look at a CPU, different type of how it is look like, okay, certain details of RAM, okay, static RAM, how RAM is look like this, motherboard, what is the motherboard, what are the different parts of motherboard, okay, north bridge, south bridge, IDE, SATA, like this, how it is connected. Okay, so the basic information of your hardware will be covered here, different operating systems. So few things I have to add it, I didn't add it because up to that one no class is completed. Okay, like this. Okay, so what we will do, take a break, just a 10 to 15 minutes break. Now it is 4:40, 4:45, 4:50, packet 4:50 or 4:55. Okay, because I will start by here. So 10 minutes maybe not enough. So have some tea or coffee. Don't sleep. So we'll go for another 1.5 hour. Okay.